It's an order from Amazon. Let's unpack. Packing looks good, really. We had a bill, I think. Robodo. This is where I've ordered. Okay. Wonderful. But for the small package, you can just simply inject this. Alright. This is a module. It doesn't look clean actually. It looks like already got damage. Looks like that. Yeah. 35 volt, 100 microfarad. Okay. Already, look at this. Okay, so this is a module which will help me to supply the power to the laptop, which will be fixed to the car. Okay, so it's a project that I'm working on right now. So 12 volt DC to 19 volt DC. That's I can step up adjusting here. Let me check if it is not properly working, giving out the output. We'll return this. Not happy with the condition of the product though.